Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I did a little bit different of a setup today. I'm kind of liking it. Sorry, I'm looking in the viewfinder, but I like the bit of a different setup except for this thing. Wait, right there? That has like a bunch of hair tools in it and it looks kind of weird, but it's fine. So today I'm gonna try and not show you my address, but I have a bunch, no, not a bunch, just 2 packages from a store called SHOWPO. So this is gonna be a little SHOWPO store unboxing. So I got a bunch of stuff because I'm taking a trip to Mexico in May and I wanted to get some new stuff for that. And then I'm also going to Mexico again in July. So yeah, I wanted to do a little unboxing and try on, and I've never really done an unpackaging unboxing type haul. I've always got the stuff out first and looked at it and then just done a try on haul, but this time I want to do a little unboxing one because I've been watching a lot and they look fun and I like the video. So yeah, make sure you subscribe and click the bell so you can be notified whenever I upload new videos. And why did I say it like that? Okay, but anyway, let's just get into this because I'm really excited to see what's in it. I've been waiting till I could film and I'm like, I really want to open this, so let's go. All right, the first thing in here, maybe I should open it first so that the paper's not all crinkly. Yes, I'm so excited for this. I've been wanting to get something red, and oh yeah, this will definitely fit my waist. I got this cute 2-piece set and it's like red and polka dots, and this is the top. Wait, I'm confused. How does this work? I'm so confused right now. I don't remember how this looked on the model. I have no idea how this works, but we will figure it out when I put it on. But it's like a 2-piece set. So I'm gonna try this on real quick. Just focused. Okay guys, so here is this cute 2-piece set. I had to look up how to actually tie this because I was confused. I think this looks really good. Like, it fits really well. I got this in a size small, which is like US sizing 6, I think, or US size 4 maybe, I don't know. But yeah, it fits really nice. The waist is good on the pants. This is cute. It fits nicely. I had to like tighten the straps up a little bit. I think it'll look way better with a tan. Okay, we are off to a great start. This is so cute, guys. Like, I couldn't figure out how to tie this because there's like, I don't know, you had to tie it like pretty tight, and I think the bow looks a little wonky, but we could fix it. That does not look cute at all. Makes me feel like a Minnie Mouse a little bit, but it's really cute. I like it a lot. Loudest packaging ever. Okay, so this is a bodysuit. I got this really thinly strapped bodysuit. I hope that these don't break. That would kind of suck. But it's like one of those straight across ones, like the straight across the chest ones, because I really want to try this. But yeah, we're gonna give this a go. We're not gonna try this on by itself though. So I'm gonna try it on with, I think these are a pair of shorts that I got. Okay, oh, I love these. Okay, so these are so cute. Okay, so the sizing, like a size small, I think was a US size 4, but it's an Australian size 8 because on the back it says size 8. So I got small in everything, I think, except for this. I got a medium in the bodysuit because I have a long waist, or a long torso, but these shorts are so cute. They have like that little ruffly thing at the top and then they tie, and oh my gosh, these are so cute. I can't wait to try these on. Okay, I'm gonna try this on with the bodysuit just so I have coverage on my butt because that's always good, you know. Don't want to be flashing anyone. Anyway, let's try this stuff on. Okay guys, so here this outfit is. The straps on this feel like they could possibly break, and I'm trying to like hold this up because I feel like it's a little bit loose like here, but if I got a small then it would be too short, because even this one feels like it's pulling a little bit. Like, I have a really long torso. I'm trying to like pull this up to give me some more room, but the shorts, guys, I love the shorts. I'm trying to hold this up so it doesn't fall down, but these shorts are so cute. I love these so much. They're amazing. Definitely try these out. I like this style, like the, what's this, ruffly paper bag, is that what it's called? I don't know, but they're really cute. It looks really cute with the bodysuit, but like the bodysuit is slightly uncomfortable and it feels like I'm falling down like in here. Like, it needs to be tighter up top for me, but not, it needs to be longer but tighter, you know what I mean? This is not the same color. Actually, it is the same color. I think it was a little more pink on the website, but this bodysuit is, why do I keep saying bodysuit? This, it's not a bodysuit, it's a freaking romper. Okay, this romper is so cute. Wow, this is like kind of sheer right there. It's very cute. Looks like this. Have to try it on. Looks a little bit sheer. Might have to like, I don't really know what I'm gonna do about this. Cause I don't know if you guys can tell, but this is like kind of sheer right there. And I don't really know how you wear a bra with this, but like, okay, so here's this really cute top. I am obsessed with this. Okay, I love this already. I cannot wait to try this on. Cannot wait. I can't talk, but I cannot wait to try this on. This is so, so cute. Oh my gosh. I've seen these everywhere and like I really wanted one, so hopefully this white part isn't too sheer, because that would be bad. And then I ordered another pair of shorts. It's another paper bag. They're not exactly paper bag. They're not as ruffly at the top, but they're really, really cute, and they feel like they have stretch in them, which is good, so it'll hopefully fit my waist. I'm sitting like down really far, I'm sorry. But they're really cute. They're plaid, I think, checkered. Is that how you say it? But I don't know. I'm gonna try this stuff on. Okay guys, here is this tank top. It's very, very cute. Okay, so like, don't mind this, but I have my regular bra on underneath of this because it's kind of white. Like, okay, it is white. It's not kind of white, but it's white. And I didn't know if it was gonna be see-through or not, so I didn't really want that to happen. I probably would wear like my sticky bra with it, but I didn't really feel like getting that out and making it like dirty in a way, because then I have to wash it again and let the sticky part dry, and that's kind of annoying. So I just put my regular bra underneath with it, so we'll just cover that with my hair and get the vibe of it. It's very cute. I like it. It's a little tight around like this area right here, but it's better tight than not, because then like if I decide to not wear a bra with it, it won't be super loose. But it's really cute. I just put it on with a pair of random shorts that I had laying out, and I think it's really cute. Let me like do a close-up. I really like it. I think it's adorable, and you know, it's good. I like it. Okay, so for these shorts, they're very, very high-waisted. This is my rib cage right here that's poking out. My ribs are just really pokey outy. I don't really know why. This shirt doesn't really match these pants very well. Like, these pants are really high-waisted. My waist is like here, and they're like a little bit higher than that. Maybe I should like pull them down a little bit. I don't know. They're a little bit snug on my waist, but like, I have some room. I could just be bloated because I just had a lot of food at dinner. We went out for my brother's birthday and we got like hibachi, and it was really good, but now I'm like really full. So yeah, they're a little snug, but I think it could work. I don't want it to be loose. I didn't really tie this very tight. Like, they're snug when I did the zipper, to put the zipper up, but they're cute, so it's fine. Yeah. So yeah, overall this haul went really well. This little thing right here I did not do a try on for because it's like see-through. I don't really know if y'all can tell, but it's a little bit see-through, and well, it's a lot of bit see-through, and I don't have anything to like help with that, so I wasn't gonna try this on. But yeah, that's gonna be all for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I'm not really sure if it was shorter or longer, I don't really know, but yeah, I hope that you enjoyed it. Make sure that you subscribe before you leave and click the bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. I'm about to graduate from high school, so that's very exciting, but I've been very, very busy with that and with visiting schools and just life in general, so that is why my videos have been kind of not up as consistently, but when summer comes around, I'll hopefully be able to get things going and get more videos up for you guys. I'm really sorry about that. I want to start doing more fitness stuff. I think I'm going to do a Gymshark collection because I have quite the collection, and I've asked you guys on Instagram if you would like to see that, and you did say that you wanted to see that. So we'll probably do that, but that is all for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!